Jurassic Coast. I'm here with the family. I'm just doing a quick walk and take some photos as I go. This is probably going to be a very short video because I'm not going to be doing too much talking, but it's a very misty day, so I think it would look good today to get some nice moody shots of the sea and the cliffs. We're taking a walk along the southwest coast path. We're at Highlands End campsite, and we're just going to do a 30-minute walk that takes us out to West Bay. So a few photos along the way, and these are them. It's so good to be out. I've not been out for a walk and taking photos for such a long time, but it's nice. Oh, I've got something in my eye. It's nice, it's good. All I've got with me today, in case you didn't realise from the title of this video, is my little Fuji X100VI and the GoPro that I'm holding. So there's going to be no cinematic masterpieces, not that there ever is by me anyway, but very simple, very basic, just out enjoying the walk, enjoying the scenery, and that is our aim. West Bay, only half a mile, and we've done half a mile maybe, so it's probably a mile there, maybe a mile and a half there, half an hour, mile and a half there, mile and a half back. Southwest coast path. Brilliant atmospheric day for it. Hopefully the photos are going to reflect that. Yeah, it's nice, it's much nicer. I love these conditions, much better than bright sunshine. So let's enjoy this walk. So behind us is the West Bay Hotel. We just had a really good Sunday roast in there. A couple of pints, so I'm not sure if all the pictures on the way back are going to be quite as sharp as the ones were on the way here, but we will see. It's been good. It's been a good walk. There's been no rain. It's been misty. It's been moody. Really enjoyed it. I hope the photos have been good, but we're going to head back now. Still a few more photos to come on the way back. We're heading the other way now down the path, so hopefully it'll look good. But yeah, lunch was great. West Bay Hotel for a Sunday roast, definitely recommend it. Pork belly was good, far too much, but still good. Yeah, let's see what more snaps we can get between here and back to the campfire. So join me. Still some little bit of a walk to go. And we are back at our campground. So I'm puffed because it's all been uphill on the way back, but thank you so much for joining us if you made it this far. Very short video, just some photos of the views from the southwest coast path between our campsite here at Highlands End, heading east along the path to Bridport. Thank you for sticking it out if you did. Hats off to you for your patience, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.